Today, dear friends, is a historic launching of our car park. What is very special about our car park is that there are a few disabled car parks, but hardly any of them come with a cover, which is very essential for people with disabilities. I'm sure my disabled friends know how useful that is. And this actually helps to protect us from the rain and the sun. In other words, without it, it is useless. There's no point building a car park if there is no shade for us. You know how often it rains in Malaysia and how difficult it is for us who are paralyzed. We can't feel when we sit on a hot seat and we can't take care of ourselves. We get pressure sores and we can end up in hospitals and it can even kill us. And with older age, we know it brings on disabilities. People who have heart attacks, you don't know, they can become disabled. People with diabetes can become disabled. People who have stroke can become disabled. And there are many other permanent causes of disability that is very common. And of course we remember accidents. We always talk about people who have accidents and who die with an accident. But what about the survivors? Did you think about how many people who survive? The majority of disabled people I know, and probably you know and you read about, are people who were able-bodied once and they all became disabled. And despite more than 50 years of Merdeka, disabled residents in PJ and around the country still feel trapped in our homes. We can't go out. There's no public transport to help us to have a job. The government asks us, why is it that the disabled don't come for jobs? We can't go out. It's as simple as that. We want a job. Even if we want to go and work somewhere, the toilet is not accessible to us. So how are we going to work?
The shelter is very important to them because the disabled can't use umbrellas. When they go, they need time to at least about 5 to 15 minutes to get out of the car. They need time to carry their legs and place them. They need to move their bodies, lift themselves up, have their wheelchair come to the side, put it at the right angle, and then get out of the thing. So that's why the shelter is a very important thing. When it's raining, they can actually do this still, and especially when they're stuck in buildings and they want to go back home. Usually when it rains, you just can't get back home. And then getting wet also may be a problem because some of them have pressure sores, wounds that cannot be wet. You know, it can get infected and all that. So that's why the shelter is important. Another thing during sun, why it's important is because the seats become very hot. And then people in wheelchairs, a lot of them have got no feelings. So they end up sitting on the seat and then it causes blisters. And these blisters can actually kill a person. It's that serious. So that's why it's very convenient to have a car park. But the sad part is, nowadays you see VIPs having shelters and directors having shelters, even in hospitals, but you don't see anything being provided for patients and all that, when they are the ones who really need it.